I have been a knitter for a long time, and one of the things that I love about knitting is all the beautiful yarns, all the beautiful bright colors, all the softness and the textures of the different yarns. Sewing and quilting, same thing. I've gone into different fabric stores and seen all the beautiful fabrics and colors. That's what attracted me to it to begin with. I guess I get a dopamine hit from all those pretty colors. For a long time before I started actually sewing, I wanted to sew. Like I was like, oh, I would love to get my hands on all those beautiful fabrics. Oh, I'd love to create and make something beautiful and useful. And so I had the desire for a really long time before I started sewing. And so I bought a really cute little turquoise sewing machine. It was a good starter quilting sewing machine. From that, it just took off, and I fell in love, and I've just been sewing like crazy ever since.